Good morning, students. Today our grammar topic, that is conjunctions, or you can say connectors. First of all, what is the conjunction, or you can say define conjunctions. Conjunctions are those words which merely join together words and sentences. जो words और sentences को join करे, that is conjunction. Now, types of conjunctions. Mainly conjunctions are of three types. First is coordinate conjunctions, second is correlative conjunctions, third is subordinate conjunctions. Clear? Now we discuss one by one. First is coordinate conjunctions. These conjunctions connect the same types of word, clauses and sentences. जो same type of words, clause और sentences को close करे, that is coordinate conjunctions. Clear? Okay. The hints of coordinate conjunctions. Fan voyage. F stand for. A stand for and. N nor. B but. O or. Y yet. S show. That is for and nor but or so still yet otherwise neither either as well as etc. are words used in coordinate conjunctions. Clear? For example, 2 and 2 make 4. In this sentence, and is used. He came but he didn't speak. In this sentence, but is used. He is rich for he is hard working. For से पहले comma before cause means because. For से पहले comma आई it means होता है because. He is rich because क्योंकि he is hard working. In this sentence you find for. Next one is walk slowly, otherwise you will sleep. In this sentence, otherwise. The teacher as well as the students was present. In this sentence, you find as well as. And also, there is one thing also in this sentence. When you find as well as in a sentence, the verb agrees with first subject, that is teacher. Verb used here according to teacher, that is the teacher singular subject एक वो singular verb. Clear? She was ill, so she didn't come. In this sentence you find so. Next one is correlative conjunctions. Some conjunctions called correlative conjunctions are used in pairs only. Their use is correct only in pairs, not otherwise. Means to say that these types of conjunctions are in pairs only. Pairs are either or, neither nor, both and, though although yet, whether or, so that, not only but also, less should, no sooner than, scarcely when, hardly when, as much as. These are the pairs used in correlative conjunctions. Now, the examples. I shall either read or write a story. In this sentence, you find pair either or. He is neither strong nor courageous. In this sentence, neither nor. Both Ram and Mohan passed. In this sentence, both and. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. In this sentence, though, yet. Work hard lest you should fail. In this sentence, lest should. Not only was he brave, but also handsome. In this sentence, not only but also. Either accept, demotion or resign. Either or. Next, no sooner had he reached the station than the train started. In the sentence, no sooner than. He is as much greedy as miserable. In the sentence, as much as. Hardly had it begun raining when the wall collapsed. In the sentence, hardly takes when. These are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Now, third is subordinating conjunctions. They join a subordinate clause to a principal clause and help in the formation of complex sentences. Clear? We use these words in subordinate conjunctions: when, while, as soon as, till, until, if, unless, because, since, as, before, after, though, although, whether, lest, as long as though, then, that, etc. Now the examples. He came in when it began to rain. In this sentence, when. I shall wait till he comes back. In this sentence, till. Walk slowly lest you should fail. In this sentence, you find lest. As soon as you are here, I am safe. जब तक आप हैं तब तक जो है मैं सेफ हूँ यहाँ पे. As long as, जब तक. Though he is poor, he is unhappy. यद्यपि वो रिच है but he is unhappy. फिर भी क्या है, खुश नहीं है. He looks as though he were ill. As though. Suppose. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वो बीमार हो. The patient had died before the doctor came. In this sentence you find before. The patient had died before the doctor came. He is so tired that he couldn't sit straight. इतना थका हुआ है कि जो है सीधा नहीं बैठ सकता. So that. Move from this place only after you are permitted to do so. In this sentence you find after. These are the examples of subordinate conjunctions. Now the topic of conjunctions has been completed. Okay students, bye.